In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive upload problem in this 2026 guide. If Google Drive is not uploading your files, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by a connection problem, a browser issue, low storage, or a temporary app glitch. So we'll go through the most effective fixes in a simple order so you can test each one and get your upload working again. Start by checking your internet connection. Google Drive needs a stable connection to upload files properly, especially larger ones. Open any website and make sure it loads normally. If your connection seems slow or unreliable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if that option is available to you. If you're on home internet and it keeps dropping, restart your router and then test the upload again. Next, refresh Google Drive. If you're using Drive in a web browser, simply reload the page. If you're using the Google Drive app, close it completely, and reopen it. Then try uploading the same file again. A quick refresh often fixes temporary loading problems. After that, check your Google storage. If your account storage is full, uploads will fail no matter what device you're using. Open your Google storage page and see how much free space you have left. If needed, delete unnecessary files or upgrade your storage plan before trying again. Now verify the file itself. Make sure the file isn't corrupted, the file size doesn't exceed Google Drive's upload limits, and the format is supported. A good tip here is to upload a different file as a test. If another file uploads successfully, then the problem is likely specific to the original file. If you're using Google Drive in a browser, clear your browser cache, go into your browser settings, clear cached images and files, restart the browser, then sign back into Google Drive and try the upload again. Cached data can sometimes interfere with websites and cause unexpected errors. You should also disable browser extensions temporarily. Extensions like ad blockers or download managers can sometimes interrupt uploads. Turn them off, refresh Google Drive, and test the file again. If that still doesn't work, try a different browser. Open Google Drive in another browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, sign in, and upload the file again. This helps rule out browser-specific problems. If you're using the mobile app, check for updates in your device's app store. Install any available Google Drive updates, then restart the app. You can also restart your device to clear temporary system issues that may be affecting uploads.